So dear friends, we are going to see now activity 1.12. Let us see. You have to move permanently to a planet or deserted island. You are allowed to take any 8 people with you to make your story joyful. What kind of people would you choose? Okay, that means if you are going to a planet or you are going to a deserted place, so they have told you to take 8 people whom you will choose. For example, doctor, a person with medical knowledge, that means you need a doctor. Permanent stay on a planet or deserted island, so I have written here friends to enjoy, parents to take care of yourself, cook to cook your daily food, then again guide to explain you everything whatever is there. And I have left 3 columns. You have to write those 3 columns. Let us see next. Choose the correct option with a tick mark. What type of persons did you select to accompany you to the planet or deserted island? Like you, your friends, persons with varied skill sets. Okay, it is your personal, so you have to tick mark. Give personal response on. This is also personal, but still I have written these 2 answers. If you want to add your own ideas, you can add it. If all the individuals have the same skills, then can the country or the house be run properly? See, I am reading the question again. If all the individuals have the same skills, then can the country or the house be run properly? If suppose we are having all skills, all ideas, then will a house run properly? If everybody knows, then nobody will take care, or no one is going to take interest. Okay, so I have written the answer no, because all have got different skills. If it happens, then no one will be in need of anybody. That means nobody will need anybody. Second, all the works of the world require hard work, intelligence and skills. Therefore, no work or task can be labeled as superior or inferior. Write your opinion about this statement. See the answer. Yes, we all need to work hard. Unless and until we work hard, then only we get the fruit. We all have skills and we all are intelligent. So we must make use of it. Okay. So we all are blessed with the skills. So we all must make use of it. Let us see. Let us understand. Okay. Activity 1.13. Discriminate based on different lifestyle. First is here they have given, I think 5 columns they have given. Okay, these are 5 columns. First is food, different cuisines. Okay, so you have to write any 5 foods which you like. Musical instruments. Music, what kind of music you like, and instruments. Okay, that means flute, then lyre, then again guitar is there, sitar is there. Okay, any 5 instruments you write. Type of clothing, what type of clothes you like. Festivals and celebrations, what kind of festival you like. Films and dramas, what kind of film you write. You can write the name of the film, or you can write the drama names of the drama. Kinds of sports, which sports you like. Actor, actresses, singers, painting and sculptures. This is about yourself. Okay, what you like you have to write in all 5 columns. Then choose the correct option with the tick mark. Where are your favorite items? In the house, in other state, in the surrounding area, in the foreign country. What lifestyle of others do you like? Food, acting, clothes, festivals, sports, painting, sculptures. You choose and tick mark. Why did you accept or like the lifestyle of others? It is inappropriate to discriminate between our lifestyle and that of others based on the above factors. You are agree, disagree, fully agree, or partially agree. Okay, you have to write your own answer. Now here they have given one banner. Okay, a discontinent. Above news is about the riots. Public property gets damaged due to such riots. Angry mob, that means Angry mob means angry people burns buses and cars to vent their anger. This creates social unrest and an atmosphere of fear and terror. National integration is threatened. Now this is given damage to public property and mob mentality. That means what is happening around us, it is given. Activity 1.14 given below are some events. Do you want to follow those events? Think about it and tick mark in the right place. So you read this all I think so 8 are there. Let's read. There is a hidden anger in mind about something. It is sometimes, always, or never. We all are angry, so you have to write either sometimes or always. You cannot write never. The anger gets provoked due to riots or quarrels. Yes or sometimes. It's always or sometimes. Provocation speeches create an impact. Engage in riots as the identity is not revealed. It feels good to damage public property. Must write never. Scribble names on ancient monuments and forts. Must not do it. So you tick mark on never. Tear off the seats and buses when angry. No. Spit carelessly on the road. No, we should not do it. Choose the correct option with the tick mark. Rights has to suffer in who has to suffer in rights? Writers, common people, government, or everybody? I think so, everybody. Whose money is used in burning the public property? Whose money it is? Whether governments, publics, writers, or ministers? I think so, it is publics. Activity 1.15. Fill up the following chart with 3 of your friends. The most important person at home. Write their names. Favorite sports. Write sports names. Then favorite subject, best historical place in India, most modern country in the world. This is your favorite one. Okay, you have to write your favorite ones. Individual small actions and their larger impact. There is a saying that one small act in the right direction can change your world and the world around you. Implement this in your life and see for yourself. If you consistently perform a small action, it will have a larger impact of effect in the future. Activity 1.16. Some personal and larger impact are given in the table below. Add your own examples in those actions. Okay, I have written here some. You can write your own. Personal action and larger action. Stopped bursting firecrackers myself. Used cloth black for self. Keep surrounding clean. Fuel must use carefully. Electric. Now it is your personal. So I have given some points. See that you write your own. Now this is only for your example. No writing same question answers. Thus I'm going to cut your marks. You write your own answers. I have written answers so that you will know what kind of answers you must write. And this is larger impact. Amount of busting and firecrackers reduced at country level. Plenty of plastic on the land. Number of trees increased all over the country in the surrounding area. And these 3 you can add your own. Okay. Now, who is a responsible citizen? Activity 1.17. Who according to you is a responsible citizen from the following persons? Choose the correct option with the tick mark and add more examples below. A person who does not vote is a wrong person. A person who fulfills all his daily tasks honestly by adhering to all rules, right? Resham speaks of her love for the country, but she spits on the street. Wrong. Ram Singh is citizen but does not follow traffic rules. Wrong. Balukaka, Balukaka spreads dissent among the groups, tries to spread enmity. Wrong. Radhika thinks of the workers working with her as inferior. It's correct. Vaibhav gets along with everybody. Correct. Now I have written 3 more. You read this all 3 and you can add your own words or you can add your own sentences. Democracy at home. Nobody insults each other. Sometimes, always, never, need to change. You write your own. Everyone's opinion is considered while making big decisions. Sometimes it is not always. Even if on a small level everyone is involved in financial planning. I don't think so because small children don't know sometimes. So you write sometimes or need to change. The woman in the house do outdoor chores. No, it is a man who does the outdoor chores. Sometimes women also do. So you can go for the sometimes or you can go for the always. There are certain rules to follow in your home which are the same for all including your parents. If there is a difference of opinion about something, then those are resolved with mutual discussions. Your siblings are treated in the same ways as you. Boys and girls are considered equal. Okay, here is a democracy. Last ninth one. Everyone has equal right to the use of facilities at home. That you can write always. Then activity 1.19, activity 1.20, you have to do it. I have left activity 1.20 for yourself purposely so that you will scratch your heads and you will write your own answers. No copying the answers. And here we are going to finish up the lesson. If you don't understand anything, you can ask me in the WhatsApp group. Thank you.